Hey guys, today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make crisp puri and a potato bhaji in South Indian style at your home. So let's start. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add a little bit of water into this because I'm going to cook it in the microwave. So we need water. So I added a little bit of water and I'm going to cook this one for 10 minutes. So here I have taken one big onion and three green chilies. This is from my garden and I'm going to chop the onion for the bhaji. So here I have chopped the tomatoes, the onion into thin slices. So onion into thin slices and here is the ginger and some green chilies. So if you want more spice you can add more green chilies, but my green chili is not very spicy, so I have added 3 and so my veggies are ready for the bhaji. So now I am going to do the things, masala things. Hey guys, I removed the potato from the microwave and I smashed the potato with the smasher, and can you see my potatoes are nicely cooked, and after the onion and the tomatoes are done, and I will add the turmeric powder, the garam masala, the chili powder and everything. Then I will add the potatoes into that along with the masalas. So I added a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your bhaji. And you have to mix all these ingredients. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. It gives the nice taste. So I added 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and you have to mix all these ingredients together with the onion and the tomato, everything. And it's time to add the potato bhaji potato. The smashed potato. and you have to mix very well. And now I am going to add some water. So I am going to add half a cup of water. And you have to mix all these things together. So my bhaji is ready, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of ghee into this. This is the homemade ghee, and if you want to check out the recipe how to make ghee at your home, I will put the link in the description box so that you guys can check how to make ghee at home. So I added half a tablespoon of ghee into this bhaji, and my bhaji is ready, guys. So my potato bhaji is ready, and now I am going to make puri. Hey guys, for the crisp puri, what I added 2 cups of atta in the bowl, and what I am going to do, I am going to add some oil. You can add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I added some salt. That is up to your taste, how much salt you want in your puri. And I am going to add some ajwain. This gives a nice taste in the puri, guys, and it's good for the digestive system also. So I always add the ajwain in the puri. And now I am going to make dough. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make puri with potato sabji in South Indian state at your home. So see you soon in my another cooking video, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.